Hello friends, today I will show you how to connect with someone on Messenger without Facebook. First of all, go to your Messenger account and go to the three-line menu up, up at the right there, and then click to settings and scroll down to phone contacts. Click phone contacts and click again upload contacts. Turn on this button of upload contacts. All your contacts will be uploaded to your messenger. You can start a new conversation from the chats window by tapping the pencil icon at the top, or tap on the people tab at the bottom and connect with any uploaded contacts. Thank you for watching this video.